We've got a great video for you today from How to Have Fun Outdoors. That's right, 5 reasons to do a custom camper van conversion. If you know our channel, How to Have Fun Outdoors, you know that we own a Class B Coachman Beyond, and we do lots of camper van videos because we feel they're the ideal way to get out in the great outdoors and enjoy everything that we do with our channel. But today we're going to talk about a conversion company called Sequoia Salt. We ran into them with their public debut, that's right, at the Springfield, Mass. RV camping and outdoor show, which is just an amazing show to go to. You'll have to check out our video on that. But today we're going to talk about this amazing company because it's all about a group of individuals, and you're going to get to meet the owner in a minute, who just felt that there had to be more to a camper van. They've been written up in New Jersey's Digest. They've been talked about a lot with their creative designs, their wood finishes, and really bright interiors. Very different than what you see with all of the big brands that we've talked about, at a really incredible price. That's right, you have to purchase the van, but then they work with you to design the interior and the layout. And believe it or not, in 4 to 6 weeks, with a minimum of at $35,000, and they'll help you with the financing, they can put together a van like this for you. And as you can see from this gallery, just beautiful interiors, slide outs, and all kinds of toy storage, and you name it. The kitchens are beautiful. This thing's like a transformer, all kinds of beautiful designs, and really a great warm feeling to it, like at home. So let's get started with the video, and here you go. All right, Alice, we're here with Chris and Sequoia Salt, and we found a gem. This is a hidden gem, that's right. Their very first trade show, and these guys have done a remarkable job on this Class B, and we're gonna be excited to show everybody on YouTube what we found. So Chris, tell us about this rig.
All right, so this rig is called the Raritan build, and what's very special about this build, I'll tell you a little bit about me. So I started this business. I'm a touring photographer. What happened with me is I was spending so much time on the road touring around the country for different large acts. And then I said, you know what, one day I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna trade it all in. I'm gonna live my van, I'll meet the tour wherever they are. And from that, open this. And I lived in my van for a whole entire year. I traveled the country 16 times coast to coast.
Awesome.
Got a team together. I've been developing this van for about 10 years now, and I would love to show you around. And I'm just very excited to be at this show at the Springfield RV show, showcasing it at our first RV show.
So it's on the Ram chassis, correct?
Yes, it's on the Ram ProMaster 2500. That's a 159 wheelbase. It's about 20 feet in length. Our interior build space is 11 and a half feet, give or take.
And then on the power side of it, what do you have? Inverter in here, generator?
Yeah, so our electrical system on the inside, we kind of have a cedar garage with some hidden panels. We have a 200 amp hour AGM battery. We have a 2500 pure sine wave Ames inverter charger system. Obviously we're running 12 volt, we're running 110. We have shore power out the backside. What else do we have in here? We've got a diesel.
Do you have any
meter.
solar on there?
Yeah, we have on the roof. We have 2 100-watt solar panels.
Okay.
This van is very special because it has a vent fan, max air vent fan in the front. In the rear, we have a Dometic RTX 1000. Why I had to say that name? I am just so excited about this AC unit. It runs both DC and AC. So that means our air conditioner can run off-grid based right on our battery system. In eco mode, we're probably around 8 hours of runtime in eco, and then you can also plug into shore power in the back, and you can run the AC unit for as long as you'd like.
Wow, that's pretty awesome.
Yeah.
Now, how about propane? No propane on it, or
so
you do have propane?
Yeah,
wow.
We have an exterior shower here.
Okay.
With a 15-gallon water tank. That's running that's a 5-pound propane tank. You're gonna have a quick connect on the inside over here.
Very cool.
Fill right there, and then you have your lights, and then your water pump on that side.
Very nice.
This cool looking thing on the back of the van kind of looks like a gaff. Is actually call it the wand to let the awning down.
Yeah.
You know, to release the awning. And so we decided everything is
Make it
aesthetic
more manual,
for us.
yeah.
You know, I wanted to create a very homey space within our build. So it's very important to work with different colors, different textures and tones. And so even just like as little as mounting this and adding this to our back, I just felt like it kind of creates a little bit more of a conversation starter.
Yeah, we've been looking and been doing a lot of Class B reviews, right, Alice?
Yes, that is our favorite rig.
Quite honestly, they've advanced tremendously in the last 4 years, but they're all starting to look closer and closer, you know, when it comes to the aesthetics.
Yeah.
Where when you see your van, completely different look. It's got that outdoor feel to it, really nice materials, and
actually, why don't I show you this?
all real materials, right?
All real materials. This is we installed a 500-pound track gear drawer. It's very important for us when we're loading our van to not have to dig in the back of this. You know,
right.
we want everything accessible. Accessible made easy means that we are going to do it more often.
Right.
We want to get on the road as quickly as possible and stay there as long as we can and not worry about our system.
Yeah, your Class B, there's been people lined up to see this thing all day. Chris was kind enough, the owner here, to do a little bit of a review for us, walk through.
On the back, we have RV-style
Look at
slider
that.
Windows.
On both sides, huh?
We have a small team, but a really talented team. We make everything in-house. As far as our blackout shades, we make these in-house. What's cool about these blackout shades is they're magnetic.
Wow.
So
you know,
easy.
and so they can stay up. And then when you want to store it away, you actually can just roll up the whole entire blackout shade, and you can drive with the shade in the up position.
That's so
Instead of having to
easy.
We've thought it all. We've thought of it all.
Yeah, and then hot water on demand right here, right?
On-demand hot water heater. The way that we connect this hot water heater is right through this quick connection port right on the side.
Okay.
It's going to connect here, and then when you open this up, you can connect your propane tank right to it. Then you're asking, well, you're going to be in the middle. Everyone's going to see me shower. So what we did is we give you these little hooks here. Take a shower curtain on the inside, a shower curtain on the outside, and then you can kind of pin it away, and you can be solely just you in your shower, no one's going to see in. So
And these are easy because you can move them.
yep, absolutely.
Very, very cool.
Yeah, they're 20-pound magnets. Yep.
So right now, if you want to buy one of these things from you guys, what are we looking at, a lead time and price?
We have an available spot for in 2 months from now.
2 months from now.
We have one spot available. We've been signing a lot during this show.
Yeah.
You know, if you're interested in working with us, we don't have a crazy lead time right now, but I can tell you as soon as it starts getting warmer out, we will be booked until winter time. That's for sure.
And then price range on these?
This van itself is for sale at the show for $103,000. That's everything included, tax included.
That's a great deal.
Yep, and our base build starts at $36,000.
Okay.
So if you can imagine having a pre-owned vehicle or a brand new vehicle, it's within budget. It's not crazy. We're not gouging anyone. You know, we take pride in what we do, and we want to be able to make as many of these vans as possible for our customers.
That is remarkable. So do you actually do this with somebody that already owns the van?
Yes, most of the time our customers bring us the van. We outfit the van for our customers.
Wow.
Because the market has been very fluid with finding vehicles, we've been purchasing as much as we can. So whenever a cargo van is brand new and goes on the market, we buy it. We find a customer for it and we outfit it.
Wow, that is fantastic. Very cool. And then warranty-wise, what do you have for that?
Well, the vehicle's going to have its own warranty.
Yep.
The products are going to have their own warranty, and then we showcase our own warranty. We give you a warranty for our builds in themselves.
Okay, very good. And what's the warranty on that?
So we have a 2-month craftsman warranty on our actual vehicle, on our build itself.
Yeah.
You know, obviously we had to put something in paper there.
Yeah.
But, you know, this year alone we built 40 of these vans, and we still keep in touch with all of our customers.
Yeah, I bet you have a great following, because these are very unique for sure.
Yeah, so we're very excited about what we do.
All right, well, let's go check out. And by the way, so what's your websites for everybody back home watching this right now? Is like, how do I get a hold of these guys?
It's sequoiasalt.com. If you're going to visit us on Instagram, it's Sequoia_salt. And Facebook is something with Sequoia.
I have a question though before you leave.
Absolutely.
The name, where it come from?
Okay, so the name
Yeah,
came
cool
from
name.
When I was living in my van, for the year that I lived in my van, I was doing two things. I was traveling to find surf, so Sequoia and Salt. You know, our group is all outdoorsmen, all surfers, so we're always trying to find waves. And I was like, when I went to Sequoia National Forest, my life changed. I had seen trees and had experiences there that I cannot, you know, put in words. So I thought as a combination and marrying the two together would be a really nice
It's true, it changed your life, right?
Yeah,
It's
absolutely.
cool.
Living
So
in-
Alice came over from Italy 10 years ago, moved to San Diego. She's a surfer
Yeah.
and absolutely loves Sequoia in the national park. So
Oh, yeah.
when she
And
saw
you
your
said-
name, she fell in love with it even before she saw the
Yeah,
van.
simple and easy, and you know, that's where we're trying to make really nice vans that aren't extremely complex.
Yeah, yeah.
You're not coming to us, and you know, for us to make you a spaceship.
Let's go check out the rest of it. This thing is awesome. Let's go check out the rest of the interior. You guys ready?
Sure.
Let's
Thank
do
you,
it.
Chris.
Absolutely.
Well, we're just getting started because we're going to have Chris go through the interior of this camper van conversion, and you're going to fall in love with what this company has done. Sequoia and Salt is really a cool company, and it's all about the customer and your needs and what you're looking for. And they do all kinds of custom design work, and you're going to love the interior of this thing. It is absolutely gorgeous, like nothing that we've seen. The buzz at this show was pretty amazing around this camper van. We can honestly say that out of all the campers, trailers, you name it, this had the most people, and they were all over this thing. It was hard to pull off this video. We actually had to block it out, and thank you to the ownership of Sequoia and Salt, and because it was just bombarded with people checking this thing out. And as you can see here, look at the finish, the wood, everything about it, really nice. But now we're going to go ahead and let Chris walk you through this interior, and I think you will agree it is top notch and the fit and finish is fantastic. And for the price, when you walk away with a brand new van that you buy, along with their price for the conversion, it is actually cheaper than all of the big brands out there, and they pretty much customize it, like I said, to the way that you would like. It's also a very cool company. So they had one of the best displays that we've seen. They got your picture taken, and they gave you all kinds of literature on this, and you can just tell it's family owned.
All right, Chris, this is absolutely beautiful in here. I'm excited to see the rest of this, man. You guys done a great job on this.
All right. Glad to have you inside of our van. So we have let's start with our kitchen area here. We're working with stainless steel appliances and sink. So this sink obviously is going to have a retractable sink head, faucet head. This is a camp style stove. This stove is really great because you know what the truth is, cooking inside of a van makes you smell like the food you're cooking. No one really wants, I mean, for me personally, I choose to cook outside. Lots of the times I like to, you know, make salads, make sandwiches, use this as a stand-up desk. And I don't want to have something blocking my area. So that's why we choose that stovetop.
Yep.
We are working with all of our drawers, our dovetail drawers. You can see down the line.
Oh yeah, real nice.
Real nice drawers. We have a top-loading refrigerator, a
Very
marine
nice.
grade refrigerator. It's got different sections in the inside here, and then on the top you'll see that we have a freezer section. Actually keeps stuff frozen.
Very nice.
Let's see. We have
Lots of storage.
locking storage lockers. These have 10-pound door locks on them, so you know when you got a lock it, you're gonna give it a good pull. But the truth is the reason why we do is so things are not falling out of your van when you're on the road. Max air vent fan in the front.
You got the storage up here. That's
Storage
nice.
up there that comes with the Ram ProMaster.
Yep.
LED lighting. All of our interior lighting is got dimmers on it, so it's really nice at nighttime. I like to turn off these lights. I keep my dimmable reading lights on, and then I'll just keep the lights in the inside dimmed right over by the kitchen area.
Very nice. I think this guy's a romancer, Alice. Look at that. He's got all the accent lights going.
All All right.
And look at
moving
this.
into
This
our-
is nice.
Yeah, so we continue the butcher block countertop. We added grooves to the side of our countertop, so this sits inside the grooves of our extra sleeping quarter.
Yeah.
All right, so these cushions fill in the middle there. This and obviously this drops down. Those go in the middle. Sleep a third person.
So that's a nice feature also to get a third person in here. You go out surfing, camping, whatever,
Oh, yeah.
hiking.
We have
Want to
a
bring your
cross-
buddy along? He's got a spot.
Absolutely. We have a cross-through door that leads to the garage. That's really great if you want to add some longer, if you bring your surfboard with you or a longboard with you, you're going to want to have some access to that door.
It's good for skis too, right? Wintertime?
Skis, absolutely. We have a diesel heater built on this side.
Okay.
All of our, we utilize every single inch of space in this van. So our diesel heater section's about this high in our box. So we partitioned it, and then so you have accessible area for more storage above
Okay.
it. Right where
Very
you
nice.
are, it's gonna be tight for you.
Yeah.
I'm gonna pull this section out.
Very
That is
cool.
your toilet area.
An
Yeah.
extra space here.
Extra space over here. If you want to put your toilet paper, some toiletries. Beyond this, if I slide this back a little bit, and I'm gonna reach over here, you'll see that extra space. We didn't want to waste it, so we gave you
Look at that.
another bin
Very nice.
every inch. And so our receptacles, or our outlets rather, we wanted to make sure that we're giving you both the outlet and the USB, and that's going to go throughout the whole entire cabin. The receptacles in the back of the van as well. We went with, if you just really quick in the kitchen, we went with subway tiling. This is real subway tile, so like for us, it's all about quality and maintaining that quality and showcasing some, something different.
Well, I got to tell you, Chris, this is one gorgeous unit. Wait, one last thing here. We got some power over here, right?
Okay, so this is our inverter power switch. So right now we have it in the on position because we have shore power connected. This is our shunt. This is reading our battery voltage at a 200 amp hour AGM battery. We have it at 100% because
Okay.
we're connected to shore power. And above that, this is our thermostat for our diesel heater.
Very cool.
Yep, and then this is our water pump switch and our dimmer switch for our kitchen.
Very, very cool. So no TVs in here, right? That would be against the Sequoia and Salt.
What we like to do is we actually like to program our iPads or like say Netflix, because you can download a lot of the movies and then you don't really.
Okay.
I'm going to tell you the truth, and I don't want you to hate me for it. I feel that inside of campers, when
Yeah.
you see the TV, it kind of dates how old a camper is.
Yeah.
Right? So you can see a TV and you're like, wow, that TV's from the 90s. This is an old camper. You take that TV out, you're like, oh, this is a new camper. So
Right.
for me, I feel like having iPads and utilizing that technology is sufficient.
Well, I tell you, we see a lot of Class Bs, we see a lot of RVs, we've done a ton of videos, and it's really refreshing to see something so cool, so unique. These guys have been blasted all day. We really appreciate the time, Chris, for How to Have Fun Outdoors.
Absolutely. It's a pleasure
And
meeting you.
we look forward to working with you. We got some ideas with you today, and this thing is gorgeous, and I wish you all the luck, and we'll
for
look forward to
coming by.
getting this video out. And Alice, what do you say to everybody back home?
Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy as much as we did because this is very unique. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and thank you so much for watching.
How to Have Fun Outdoors!